Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and welcome to the channel. Today I'm here to give you a little demonstration of my hair. If you guys like it, I did it all by myself. This is Crochet butterfly locks. The locks are so cute. They're strong. They have a nice little, oh God, they have a nice little shine to them, guys. I would say they're sturdy. I mean, y'all could get a real good look at them, but like they nice and springy and cute, and they fall perfectly. And I think it's a really nice go-to protective style. This hair is from Toyotress Hair. I received, I think it was eight packs of hair from them, and I used 7 packs to do my hair. So I'll make sure I enter in a clip showing you guys how everything was packaged, and everything was just really nice. Okay, Angel, so as you can see, this is how it came packaged. The faux locks that I have is 14 inches. It comes with this crochet needle. I don't know what this fine needle is. I think it's like for crocheting too. But I think they sent me out about 8 or 9 packs. I used 7 packs. The more packs you use, the fuller your hair will be. If you want it to be like more natural looking, then use less hair. Make sure you space it out from the back. A lot more spacing in the back, and then bring everything closer at the top because everything is going to fall over anyway. So this is how it was packaged, and yeah, let's get into this video. If you guys are interested, check down below in the description to shop for this braiding hair. And I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. So how I decided to crochet my hair was I sectioned off my hair by my ears. So I split like the front of my head off and the back of my head off. I braided the back down. I braided the front down. I made sure I put this part in space here because I knew I wanted it to fall this way and that way. You know, you can have it fall however you want, middle part or whatever. So I made sure I kept that space in there. And I just did braids. And I connected my braids together, sewed them to my hair so all my braids could be stuck. And then all I did was crochet the hair on piece by piece. Super easy, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check down below in the description for all the information about the hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's go.